Hey guys, welcome back. It's the Pizza Artist, and on today's video I'll be showing you how to make pizza braids at home. That's right, you always wanted to make a pizza braid for your friends and guests that are coming over for the hockey game or for the big event or for that birthday party, and you want to make it yourself. Well, on today's video, this is what we need. I got a regular pizza dough, well, one that I normally make at work. You can just buy your local grocery store or bakery, and I cut it in half. And I shaped it into two long shapes like this. See how easy it is? Well, I'll stretch it out some more. And then you get your stuff that you're gonna put inside. So here I got hot pepper, onions, calamata, black olives, pepperoni, mushrooms. Look, I left it like this. You can see it's a giant mushroom. Tomato sauce, and mozzarella. And I put the oven to, I don't know, what is it, 400? You can put it a little bit warmer. I'm gonna put the pizza strudels, the pizza braids on the, yeah, they are like a strudels on the pan with the parchment paper. I'll put it in the oven in the bottom, and I'm also making some regular pizzas also. So this is what you need. We're gonna put our stuff in the middle. I'm gonna cut it like that, and then I'll show you exactly how it's process. We're gonna put a little bit of sauce down the middle. What do you think of that, Mrs. Pizza Artist? Sure. Yeah, down the middle. I was gonna use your Corky's barbecue sauce from Memphis, then I said, I'll just use regular tomato sauce. We'll save that for another video. You don't usually put too much in this, right, Kat?
Well, you don't want it to be dry.
Well, you can put some on top, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you want the bowl so you can make sauce for the other ones?
Yeah.
Here, baby. All right, so there we go. You got sauce on it. We're gonna put a little bit of cheese. So you got your cheese down the middle. Oh, it already looks good. Now we're gonna put some mushrooms. I love mushrooms. I'm gonna put mushrooms only on one, right, Tat? Just in case Eva wants some.
Yes.
Put some pepperoni. And I should leave one just cheese.
Sure.
Put some olives. Okay, I think onions. Hot pepper. This is gonna be hard to close if I don't hurry up. I'm very talented. All right, so now you cut 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Very easy. You're gonna grab the top. Now I'm filming this by myself, so I can't show you from the other way, but then I go, oh, and then under, and then under, and then under, and then under. You just take one piece that you cut chopped, bring it over, bring it over, bring it over, bring it over, bring it over. I'm gonna give it a little chop. Wow, it looks pretty good. Huh? What do you think of that? Right? Looks really good. I'm gonna put it on my parchment paper. Now this one, I'm gonna put a little extra cheese because it'll just be cheese. All right. So same thing. Maybe I can move it over. All right, hopefully you can see from there. Cut, 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 cut. You could have done another one. Over, over and tuck it in, 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 go over and tuck it in. Yeah, we could have done one more. Over and tuck it in. Go over and tuck it in. By the way, the Toronto Maple Leafs play Boston tonight. Hopefully the Leafs win. Game 7. Game 7. There we go. So this is all cheese. There we are. Very quick, very easy. And that one came out a little bit better. So what do you think? Okay, so we just took our braided pizza out and it looks fantastic. Now, a good idea might be, if you want, you can brush a little bit of all. I just took it out of the oven, so it's nice and hot now. Brush a little bit of olive oil on it. You got your olive oil? Brush. Just to give it that little super shine. Beautiful. All right, I think it's good. All right. Can you see the back of the shirt? What does it say? Keep calm and eat on, right? You can see it? And that's what the theme of today's hot sauce is. Keep calm. I already opened it. We just did this, but apparently we forgot to press record. Keep calm and eat hot sauce. And I already tried it. You're gonna like this. And I showed you how it looks inside. Now I can't eat it because I already ate a whole piece. Come on, Canavixia. It looks super great. You see that? Look at the pizza bread, how it looks. Your friends are gonna come over, they're gonna love you. You're gonna cut it into pieces. And I already ate a whole bunch, but I'm gonna eat just a little bit more just to show you how great it was. It's still steaming. I'm gonna put hot sauce all over it. This hot sauce is really good.
Good.
It really is. It's the kind we like. Now, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Pizza braids were a success, easy to make. So do it, make it yourself at home. Serve it to your family and friends, the guests. Hopefully the Toronto Maple Leafs win tonight. It's our Stanley Cup. They win tonight, it's over. The Leafs can beat anybody. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm gonna go have my dinner. Mrs. Pizza Artist is getting our table ready. I already ate half of this without pressing record, but thanks for watching, everyone. What a piece of bread. Beer, everybody.